Well, I think that this summit is all about sharing between professionals. I really enjoyed today, by the way. And I think what I will do, I will share my story, my ups and downs, and what has been my learnings in two different areas. Implementing AI in the forecast, sales forecast, and also how we are managing the implementation of ready to drink, which is a completely new trend in the spirit category. I think the first thing when it comes to enhancing capacity is all about having a long-term vision. And as you know, we are aging products, so we are used to have long-term visions, 10 years, 20 years ahead. The second part of the answer, I would say, is really to have good quality of information. Good quality regarding sales forecast so that you are able to go end-to-end, so that you are really able to be consistent across the entire chain, and then you are really able to deliver much better quality to the consumer. Yes, definitely. So tomorrow I will talk about my story regarding how we've been able to improve sales forecast, leveraging AI, how I've been a bit skeptical in the beginning, and how we did cope with that. And I think it's quite interesting to see how it did permit us to improve many different things from inventory, sales, product availability, but also how it did help us to improve the way of working internally. Yes, once again, I think long-term partnership is key when you are working with suppliers, because your suppliers are your partners. And I think it's absolutely critical then that you are developing a common vision. What is our common ambition as partners? And then from here, we need to really share the good quality of information so that we are always at the same level of information so that we are really able to build something together. So definitely we'll see that tomorrow, but current market of spirits is flat, and you have one category which is booming today. It is a cocktail, ready to drink, ready to serve, and definitely it's interesting to see that this category is attracting new type of consumers who don't really know anything about our brands, and then we are able to convert them to test our products. And definitely this new category is a completely different animal, and you need really to adapt your way of working to make sure that you are able to really interact with these new consumers. I think what I like is definitely the fact that we are able to share. What I've seen today is really open speaker who are really able to tell what they have been able to face, what were their difficulties, and I think it's a fantastic community. So being part of this community is great, and thanks a lot for that. I think what I really appreciate most of all is the atmosphere. The fact that people are talking without fear, without any barrier, and that we are really able to talk transparent way between professionals is really what I prefer so far.